Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Once you are here, you have to simply scroll down, and here you will see an option that says restricted. Tap on it. And now search the profile of the person you wanted to hide your post from. We are going to use Instagram's restrict feature. This allows you to limit what this person can see and interact with on your account without them knowing. So you have to simply tap on restrict. And now they won't be able to see when you're online, they won't see your stories, and any comments they make on your posts will be hidden unless you approve them. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Instagram posts from someone without even blocking them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.